When you are looking at land that you want to make your homes on, or let your children or animals play on, you need to make sure that you're looking at the conditions of the ground, the dirt, the nature, the root color of the plants, the condition of the age. Does it look very dry? You know, how are the leaves looking on things? You can tell, like, in that way, because you'll know that they have no water or possible oxygen based off of the color of it and the texture of it. And it looks like there's something, in my opinion, a little bit mysterious going on, because they're so close to the lake, and I'm seeing a lot of trees that are extremely dry, and I'd have to research the type of tree and how much water it needs or not needs, because there could be a possible chance that it could be overwatered. But I've never seen they'll be able to access water like that, being that the roots are usually so deep and they share water with each other, and nature has a way of just making it happen. And so those leaves are very droopy and saggy with the ability to access water, and the roots would definitely be water accessible at that height. So we're gonna, I'm looking at, I am wondering what's going on there. From what you're looking at, if it is by chance being affected by a pollutant, they would have some kind of septic issue, which would be, they're so beautiful. What the heck, that is gorgeous. Septic is going to be like your suds and your dish soaps, and you know what, you may never even know it, but honestly, that's what hurts the animals. The human poop and the animal poop and stuff, as you can see, has been being able to be outside, as well as the toilet paper actually is always biodegradable. And so when we go camping, a lot of times there's not always an outhouse, and so you actually don't necessarily pollute exactly lethally with the sewage, but the septic actually is powerful enough from the suds of the soap that when entering the dirt or the roots of the trees, the water, it obviously feeds them. And if the suds are being drained out, if you drain your RV stuff into the ground, or anything actually enters the earth that is a soap or a sud, it actually cuts the oxygen off in the roots of the tree, surprisingly. So you're going to see two different things. You'll see weakness and color change, darkness in the plants, areas and patches of largeness and odd shapes where their roots have been dying. The trees will be actually so weak if sewage and septic are entering that they will be rooted up as easy as a weed is pulled. Cooley City, Washington.